Do you know that cryptocurrencies have exploded into trillion-dollar industry today, sparking a wave of worldwide financial disruption? And into this wave, SpaceSwap, Interstellar, and SpaceSwap has launched its journey, a yield farming platform based on Binance Smart Chain and DeFi protocol. So, at the heart of cryptocurrencies is a remarkable history of innovation that goes back to the 1980s. With advancement in cryptography, since then a series of events have shaped into crypto space. The first cryptocurrency we all know, Bitcoin, being the most prominent despite its spectacular growth in the past 12 years. Financial services have very slowly appeared for Bitcoin, mostly due to its inherent lack of stability and adoption. Mainstream institutions won't accept a Bitcoin loan because of its significant price volatility. It makes Bitcoin a poor asset to plan any investment accurately because we know Bitcoin's price ups and downs that much that it's not reliable at all. These things change quickly in the crypto space, and decentralized finance is a current trend. So that SpaceSwap has adopted this DeFi protocol, and why they do it, let's know about it. Decentralized finance. A sort of decentralized finance, DeFi is an umbrella term for a variety of applications and projects in the public blockchain space geared towards disputing the traditional finance world. Inspired by blockchain technology, DeFi is referred to as financial application built on blockchain technologies, typically using smart contracts. Smart contracts are automated, enforceable agreements that do not need intermediaries to execute and can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection. Our content is ours. Let's go through SpaceSwap DeFi protocol, some legal notices. Here. Our content, the site in the application and information data, text, image, written, post, and comment, software, scripts, maps, graphics, and interactive features generated, provided, or otherwise made accessible on or though service-side app features and functionality, including but not limited to all information, software, scripts, algorithm, text, displays, images, videos, and audios, and the design selection and arrangement thereof are owned by us, our licensors, or other provider of such materials, and subject to copyright, trademark, patent, trade secret, and other intellectual property or proprietary rights laws. SpaceSwap exchange and associated names, logos, and all related names, logos, products, and service names, design, and slogans are trademarks of the SpaceSwap or its affiliates or licensors. You must not use such makes without our prior written permission. All other names, logos, products, and service names, design, and slogans or the website are trademarks of their respective owners. Limited license. We grant you limited, non-exclusive, revocable permission to make use of the app and some of the service. This access shall remain in effect until and unless terminated by you or us. You promise and agree that you will not redistribute or transfer the service. The SpaceSwap software application included without limitation. The app site and some of the service are not sold or transferred to you, and SpaceSwap and its licensor retain ownership of all copies of the software application even after installation on your personal computer, mobile handset, tablets, wearable device, speakers, and other devices. All trademark services, trade names, logos, domain names, and any other features of the SpaceSwap brand are the sole property of SpaceSwap or its licensors. The terms do not grant you any rights to use any SpaceSwap brand features, whether for commercial or non-commercial use. You agree to abide by your user guideline and not to use the service-side app or any part thereof in any manner not expressly permitted by the terms. Expect for the right expressly grant to you in the terms. SpaceSwap grant no right, title, or interest to you in the app side or some of the service. Third-party software, for example, open-source software libraries included in the service-side app, are immediately available to you under the relevant third-party software library license terms. Now their understanding anything herein to the contrary, nothing in the terms entails you to copy, modify, fork, merge, combine with another program to create the derivative work for the service side, including without limitation the app service license restriction, except as expressly set out in the term of as specifically permitted by any local law you agree. Not to copy the app except where the such copying is incidental to normal use app, where it is necessary for the purpose of backup operational security. Not to rent, lease, sublicense, loan, transfer, translate, merge, add a value to modify the app. Not to make alteration to or modification of the whole, any part of the app, or permit the app or any part of it to be combined with or become incorporated in any other programs. Not to disassemble, decompile, reverse engineer, or the create derivative works based on the whole or any part of the app or attempt to do such as being except to the extent that such action cannot be prohibited because they are essential for the purpose of achieving interoperability of the app with another software program. So, SpaceSwap has taken very seriously to their app swap and try to prevent them to misuse into some different platforms. So, you don't have to worry about the security and their private policy because they are so user friendly and they try to reward their consumer or the token holder simultaneously from other sources. Thank you very much.